Can you solve this math challenge? Here's the question. Solve for the value of x given this equation x plus 1 factorial plus x minus 1 factorial all over x cubed minus 1 equals 24. Now you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now, let's answer this question together. Alright, so, our goal in this question is to solve for the value of x that satisfies this equation x plus 1 factorial plus x minus 1 factorial all over x cubed minus 1 equals 24. Alright, now to answer this question, of course, we will use a concept of factorial. Now, take note. When we have n factorial, it must be equal to n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 multiplied by n minus 3 all the way down to 3 times 2 times 1. So, when we have x plus 1 factorial, it looks something like this. So, n plus 1 factorial must be equal to n plus 1 multiplied by n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3 down to last number, which is 1. And now, take note, this expression right here, this factor, n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 multiplied by n minus 3 down to 1, this can be simplified to n minus 1 factorial. So, n plus 1 factorial must be replaced with n plus 1 times n minus 1 factorial. So, x plus 1 factorial can be written as x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 factorial. So let's do that. Now, the question is why we replace this. Because of this factor x plus 1 factorial, because we also have x 1 factorial right over here. So this is our common factor. So we can factor out x minus 1 factorial. If we do that, we left with x plus 1 multiplied by x plus this coefficient, which is 1. So our numerator becomes x minus 1 factorial multiplied by x plus 1 times x plus 1. Now let's simplify this. Let's distribute this x to x and to 1. This simplifies to x squared plus x plus 1. Alright, now let's have the denominator x cubed minus 1. So take note that we have here 1 cube also. Now it reminds me of this identity. When we have a cube minus b cube, this can be factored as a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. So x cubed minus 1 cube, this can be factored also as follows. We have x minus 1 using this identity multiplied by x squared plus x plus 1. Now, notice, on the numerator, we have x squared plus x plus 1, and on the denominator, we have also the same expression, x squared plus x plus 1. So, we can cancel these two expressions. So, our equation simplifies to x minus 1 factorial over x minus 1 equals 24. Now, let's focus on this equation. Now, this x minus 1 factorial, take note, when we have n minus 1 factorial, this can be written as n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 multiplied by n minus 3 down to 3 times 2 times 1. Or, this n minus 2 times n minus 3 down to 1, this simplifies to n minus 2 factorial. So, x minus 1 factorial can be written as x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 factorial. So we can replace this like this. And again, why we do that? Because here on the numerator we have x plus minus 1. On the denominator we also have x minus 1. So we can cancel those terms. So this simplifies to x minus 2 factorial equals 24. Now, let's focus now on this 24. Because this 24 can be written as 4 times 2 times 1. And 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 must be the same thing as saying as 4 factorial. So we can replace this 24 with 4 factorial. Now, since we have equal terms on the left and the right hand side, they are both in factorial form, so we can say that x minus 2 must be equal to 4. And to solve for the value of x, let's add 2 on both sides. If we do that, we get something that x equals to 4 plus 2, or simply equal to 6. And that is the value of x. Therefore, our answer to this question, what is the value of x given this equation, and our answer is simply equal to 6. And as always, we are done.